Hey guys, it's Tyler. Welcome back to another episode of Off the Pie Charts. Now, I'm not the lovey-dovey type, but I think there's something coming up next week. And I know there's something geeky that we can make for our friends and family and loved ones. So I thought today we'd make these 8-bit heart cookies. Reminds me of Legend of Zelda. Guys, I love Ro Pansino on Nerdy Nummies. She's one of my favorite. So I decided to buy her cookie set. And so of course, today we're gonna use the heart cookie cutter. Today it's gonna be an easy sugar cookie recipe. I'm gonna have it in the description box below. Let's get started. For the cookies, we're gonna need sugar, butter, 1 egg, baking soda and salt, flour, your heart cookie cutter, and I made some buttercream that I dyed red and black. First thing we need to do is sift our flour, salt, and baking powder. Is it all gonna fit? This is always so much fun. Making it rain. Once sifting is done, we can set aside our flour mixture. All right, now we want to cream together the butter and sugar. You can use a hand mixer on medium speed until it's nice and fluffy. I'm just going to take my spatula and run down the edges. Now's the time to add our egg. And sorry guys, I did forget there is some milk. It'll be in the recipe, of course. Go ahead and add that in. Time to give that a little mix again. Another scrape with my spatula here. Now it's time to gradually add the flour. You just want the dough to barely come off the sides of the bowl. All right, once it's like this, let's wrap it up. Grab some food grade saran wrap and just press it down. And then you can just roll it up. All right, into the fridge these go for about 30 minutes. You can always freeze one of them for later too. Dough's out of the fridge, let's get it rolled out. You want to take some powdered sugar and put it on your surface so you're not sticking. Put some on your dough too. And you want to roll this to about 1/4 inch. All right, let's cut out some hearts. So just push it down, give it a little jiggle. And just keep going around and doing that. These are really cool. I'm just gonna put them down on a cookie sheet with parchment paper. And you just keep on rolling out the dough until you have enough. All right, these cookies are ready to bake. They're gonna go in an oven at 375 degrees for 7 to 9 minutes. You just wanna make sure that the edges are just starting to turn a golden brown. You don't wanna overbake these. All right, the cookies came out of the oven. Make sure you let them cool completely before you put the buttercream frosting on. Let's get to decorating. First, I'm using a number 3 tip and I'm creating the outline with the black buttercream. Then you just want to fill it in. Then take an offset spatula and smooth the buttercream. Now come in with your red and trace around the black. Once you have the red trace, you just fill it in. And same thing with your offset spatula, just smooth in the red. Then you can take either vanilla buttercream or decorating icing and just draw on that little detail in the corner here. Well guys, the cookies are done in honor of Valentine's Day. They were super easy to decorate and I know you could do it too. These are really easy and nice gifts to give to your loved ones, your friends, people at school. I had a lot of fun making them. I need your help with ideas of things to bake. If you have any, put them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to make them happen. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new here, please subscribe and hit that bell. I make new videos every week and you won't want to miss it. Until next time, this is Off the Pie Charts.